Kinong Meghalaya nang ni Shakmat kinom don kamshu ban hiar shadu Guwahati ladaki kwa ban nich nong ba Delhi nakabenta ki kam ki jam jangki kani kalat kapli hadin liengsuin Flybig kalapediang ban sedang kamay no na Shillong airport kabaha umroy ban nich Delhi arsin hakashitayaw hakasngi kamay baningkong lawan ban sakhi langru daw menteri katanat transport ba snyaw bhalang dhar kum ukongsan harungkat kajingedon lang UMLA ka umroy nalor ki officer katanat transport badru ki he na Flybig.
Mentioning about the skill development program, I'm sure this would be of great benefit to the youth of Meghalaya. They would like to partner and see that some youth from Meghalaya get into the aviation industry. I have one suggestion to Flybig. Initially, of course, once a week, depending on traffic demand, the frequency will increase. But I would suggest, in fact, I was suggesting to one of your colleagues before the flight landed, that have small incentives so that the passengers are attracted to Umroi rather than Guwahati. A direct flight by itself is a great incentive for people to come. But if you just add a small things like I was mentioning, like Indian Airlines offers 20 kgs instead of 15 kgs. So initially when you don't have a full flight, I don't think it matters too much. So these, I'm sure you are a commercial company, you would handle strategies better. But ultimately, we should aim for the day when this is a regular flight 7 days of the week. So that's what we should be targeting at, and I hope that it happens at the earliest.
Today is the first day that our beloved state is connected by air with the national capital, Delhi. Please let us give a big hand to all of us. Yes. What CS point is very right. As per the schedule of this time, maybe today is the launching program, which is a very long awaited issue for so many years. And as per agreement with the Flybig is the flight should travel twice a week, which should start from 4th January. But I think a time will come, they have to start daily, I think. We need that. And one is a very important thing. I cannot give thanks to all the officers and even the MD partners under the leadership of our Chief Minister, Colonel K. Sharma. It's because of our Chief Minister who pushed me every now and then with my officer and Chief Secretary. We are sleepless. Actually, all of you must be aware that the tender for the Delhi Shillong flight has been called in the month of February. You have not made a mistake. And due to this pandemic, and for the last 6-7 months, we are delayed. But finally today that we are able to launch all this, which has been awaited for a long pending issue.